Right, I'm now about to show you how to find streetlight cables using the Tomcat cable locator alongside with the SigGen plus transmitter. This will help you avoid hitting streetlights, the most common hit cable every day of the week. How we do that, we take the SigGen first of all to connect to the streetlight. Now what we have to do, we take our earth stake and we put it in the ground. Now before we put our earth stake in the ground, what we have to do is check in power and then radio to ensure there are no cables there so we don't push the stake through the cables. Having done that, what we now do, we take our earth stake, we push it into the ground nice and firmly. We now take our set of connection leads to connect the generator. What we do, we take the socket and plug it into the generator. We now turn the generator high volume, low output, and check it's working before we go any further. To do that, we touch the two crocodile clips. A nice distinct tone tells us the generator is working. Having done that, we now take the red connection lead and connect it to the top of the door, like that. We now take our earth stake, our connection lead onto it, and we hear a distinct tone change. We now just turn it to low volume so as not to annoy any passing public. Now, with the locator, we have to go a few meters away from the target line to start with. Now, with the sensitivity on full, in the Jenny mode, pulling the trigger. Now, what we have to do, because we're producing the signal now, the best thing is to turn your sensitivity down so you just lose the tone. So it could go a long way. Got it there. Just bring it back to just on your scale. Now you just walk forward all the way through now. Edge of the road, come back, look for your highest point, turn your sensitivity down to about halfway. Just go through it again. And you can now see we've pinpointed and we are now tracing the streetlight cable. Exactly the same in power and radio with Jenny for direction. Pinpoint the centre of the cable, turn your sensitivity up and rotate through 360 for the direction. The lowest point giving you the direction. That now tells you the street light is running in that direction.